Hello students, good morning. I am a teacher Jyotiranjan present here to revise our second chapter of English book. So before going to the chapter, I told you that you have already worksheets, videos and other writing materials to revise this chapter carefully, which was given to you before 1 or 1.5 months. So now we are going to revise this chapter so that we can attend all the questions in upcoming examination. Neha's alarm clock is the second chapter of our English book. So let us revise the chapter. Neha's alarm clock, narrator Neha and Neha's mother, some birds and son is the main characters in this prose. So Neha is a small child like you, and she hates to wake up early in the morning. So Neha had an alarm clock, and when it rings at 6 o'clock in the morning, Neha gets irritated. Okay, so Neha was happy with falling of the alarm clock, and in the next day when Neha was sleeping, some birds got Neha wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So Neha was also irritated. Why the birds didn't leave him alone. And in the very next day, Neha wake up with the sunlight. Okay. So Neha always wanted to sleep some more time in the morning. And in the very next day, when there was no alarm clock, no birds, no sunlight, Neha woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and she was surprised. Why did I get up early in the morning without alarm clock, without birds and without sunlight? She asked her mother, how did I get up early in the morning? And her mother replies, because it was because of her body clock. So this is the gist of our chapter, and before going to the question answer, we have to discuss the difficult words. So in difficult words, there are 4 difficult words given to you. If you have any difficult words or new words, then you can ask me. Snuggles means to be in a comfortable position. Okay, Neha snuggles in her couch. Okay, mutters means in very slow voice. Tina always mutters in the class. Windowsill means lower part of the window where we keep different types of objects. Okay, relax means tension free or free from tension. Okay, so these are the difficult words, and let us do the question answer. In question answer, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? There are 3 options for you. Neha's clock ring at 6 o'clock every morning. As you know, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन हमको एग्जाम में पूछे जाएंगे 20 क्वेश्चन, जिसमें चारों ऑप्शंस होंगे. हर एक क्वेश्चन में 4 ऑप्शंस आपको मिलेंगे. वैसे ही व्हाट डिड द बर्ड से वेक अप. अच्छा, व्हाट इज इनसाइड यू दैट मेक्स यू गेट अप एट द सेम टाइम एवरी डे? आवर बॉडी clock. So you have to revise all these 3 question answers. Now put the letters in right order. One has been done for you. So you have to put the letters in right order to make meaningful words. So the first word is smile, and the second word will be alarm. Third word will be clock. You have to remember the spelling very carefully, just like spelling of the alarm, ALARM, spelling of the word clock, CLOCK, spelling of the word morning, spelling of the word snowed, spelling of the word window. So you have to remember the spelling of the word very carefully. आप लोगों को स्पेलिंग ठीक से याद करना है, ताकि आप लोग इसको एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बना सकते हैं. उसके बाद आता है लेट अस टॉक एक्टिविटी, जो कि हम बाद में करेंगे. नाउ कम टू द rhyming words. So these are the rhyming words: ought, bought, caught, matter, chatter, satter. These are the rhyming words, and you have to remember the rhyming words along with the spelling. So here is the important activity. Who said to whom? Who said these words to whom? Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Who said these lines? These lines are said by the birds. These lines are said by the birds to नेहा. किसने किसको बोला? बर्ड्स ने नेहा को बोला. ओके, माँ हु woke me up today? This line was said by नेहा to her mother. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? This line is said by नेहा's mother to नेहा. सो ऐसे ही आप लोगों को इसको भी याद रखना है, इससे भी क्वेश्चन से आपका आ सकते हैं. यूज द हेल्प बॉक्स टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. सो हियर इज द हेल्प बॉक्स गिवन टू यू, and in the help box there are two words, was and where. Okay, we have to use these two words to fill in the blanks of number 2. Okay, generally we use was in a singular number. सिंगुलर नंबर के पास was यूज करेंगे, प्लूरल के पास where यूज करेंगे. Okay, so the first of all, Ram was a good football player. The cows is a plural, so the cows were grazing in the field. My toys is a plural, so my toys were broken. Her frock was too long. The market was closed. The children is the plural form of child. The children were happy. The flowers were kept in a vase. So these are the words we can use. Now we use different types of prepositions. Just like look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. We will need these words. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked behind the door. So this picture indicates that the girl is looking behind the door. And I looked inside a cupboard. I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out. Seru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. So these are all the activities in chapter 2 that are important for our examination. You can revise all these things, and if any query or doubt arises, you can ask me in group and on my personal. So thank you and have a nice